Hello everyone. Today we have new smartphone Note 10 Plus. The specs are 12 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. The front camera is 10 megapixel and backside camera is 12 megapixel. From start we'll make unboxing. This is the best part. We have very shiny smartphone Note 10 Plus. We'll keep it here. We'll check what we have. We have super fast charging. USB Type-C charging cable. Some converters from USB to Type-C and AKJ black headphones. Okay, now we'll look for the smartphone, how it will work. This is so relaxing. This is the best part. This is Aurora black, very shiny. The weight is okay. It's feel good to hold in hand. We have 3 cameras here: flash, one more camera, wide camera. We'll select the beginning setup, English, United States.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Log into a Samsung account to get the most out. Alright, we're all set.
It's very smooth to use, very fast. We'll check camera. The zoom is very good, extremely good zoom. No blur in the picture.